All the way back when Cybertruck was first seen in public, I've predicted that a few tens of thousands of units would be produced and then the product would be withdrawn. I based that assessment on the chaotic development of Cybertruck. For example, first, it was supposed to have this high-tech exoskeleton, but now that they're falling off, we can see that the exterior panels of Cybertruck are not structural at all. Major design changes were made very late in the game. It was finally delivered 2 years late, but way too soon to be truly production ready. At the time, I thought it was the perfect illustration of Elon's management by fiat. He had a big idea and told his people to just make it work. Elon had stopped listening to his own experts, the ones that hadn't quit already. It was a rolling starship, which is having analogous problems for similar reasons. Elon fans will point out that the 47,000 Cybertrucks outnumber Rivian's production and far outnumber Lucid's sales totals, even Ford's F-150 Lightning. But, except perhaps for Ford, volume expectations for those other electric trucks were never like the 250,000 units per year Tesla planned to build and sell. They were ready to build that many. A reliable sign of a failing company is that they start underfunding the less visible parts that actually make it work. The current recall, or is it two separate recalls of Cybertruck for panels that are falling off, is burdening Tesla's repair capacity to the breaking point. Because they haven't got the capacity to implement the recall repairs, Tesla has had to halt deliveries of Cybertruck, which further reduces revenue, which means fewer resources for repairs. A lack of repair capacity means that the service experience for every Tesla owner is going to be degraded for several months at least. Tesla's direct sales model, where pricing is relatively transparent, looks great in theory, but poor product quality and a poor service experience means getting help for your Tesla ain't no genius bar. The cost of handling recalls and repairs at a time when sales are down $1.4 billion has gone walkabout, and the Canadians are investigating if Tesla tried to cheat Canada out of some $40 million in incentives, accelerates downward momentum. Cybertrucks are piling up in ad hoc storage facilities, so the next step will be to shut down production. If they do shut down production, I predict it will never be restarted.